Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. This time I'm going to talk about how, if I have a table, I can clean this table of duplicates. Well, I could use this either with an already prepared table, as is the case in this situation, or if I just have the table in a range, so looking like this but not being formatted as a table. So it doesn't matter which way it is. The only important thing, I need to have like column names up here, so as it is in this situation. When I want to clean this, I can just click anywhere in this table and then go to the menu Data, then to Data Tools, and with Data Tools to the part Remove Duplicates. If I click this, I can select all the columns which I should take into consideration. So here, for example, if I go with only name, he will only check this name. So for example here, if I have like first name and last name, I could select both of them, so he would only erase those people which are actually in this with the same first name last name combination. So if I take a look, where do I actually have some people which are the same? So for example, I have an Irina here, and I have a Bob here and a Bob here. So if I just go with name and grouping, he should only erase one of the Bobs. He should not erase any of the Irinas. So if I go with this, you see, he only erased the Bob at this point. He keeps this Irina and this Irina. If I undo this, then do the same thing, but only based on the name. You see, he clears two of them, two duplicate variables. So that's the second Irina and the second Bob. And well, that already was everything there is to cleaning tables, data sets of duplicates. What we, however, can see, if you already have a formatted table, so with a certain graphical format, this actually might screw up your format a little bit, as we can see down here. So I would recommend do this before you format something into a table, before you add some kind of design to this, because then later on we don't have to actually take care of this once more. And well, as I said, that's already all there is. So this concludes the short session. I hope you still enjoyed it. And if you're looking for additional input on Excel, feel free to visit the rest of this course or have a look in a corresponding playlist. And well, hope to see you soon, and until next time.